Hey, what's up everybody? All right, welcome back to another video. So today we're changing the belt because I did the belt tensioner on the s55 AMG that I have. So we're going to go ahead and replace the belt. Hopefully I got the right one. This is from Advanced Auto Parts. It's about 40 bucks for it. So very simple job to change this out, and I'll show you here next. All right, so it's always kind of hard to see because with the way the cameras are positioned on the phone, it's kind of weird, but you know, you got to take the 17 millimeter, any kind of thing you got to kind of go down in there in the tensioner, which is, you know, down this way, and just pull up on the tensioner and then take your belt off. And if you need to, take a picture of how the belt is on there. It's not really hard, but just in case. There's a cicada down in there. All right, just in case. All right, so you're just gonna pull up on your pulley and take your fan belt off just like that. All right, so now we have that belt, and we can go ahead and pull it on off. It's way down in there. It's kind of hard to see, but that's completely off, and pull it on out. If I can do that without any problems. Let's just see how we compare the two. All right, so I'm just inspecting this one. Here's the brand new one I just bought, and then the old one. So if you kind of go in here, you'll see the new one is a little bit more tighter, and then the old one is actually, it's coming apart. All right, so once you pretty much got it underneath, you should really start with the AC compressor, which is the one that's all the way down here at the bottom right here, and then you have your belt tensioner. But you're gonna need to come around to the big one here at the bottom, and then bring it up around this one to the smooth part, so you know it goes smooth. Then over to your alternator. Should probably be kind of like your last almost one, because with that all you have to do is just lift the tensioner up. Sorry, nothing is really focusing. Lift the tensioner up to give a little bit of slack going up this way, and you should be able to just wrap it around there, but I can't show you with one hand. All right, and that should be about it. Once you got it all installed there. Took me maybe 10 minutes to do all this, but I had to go back inside because I actually got stung by a bee while I was out here. So yeah, all right, so just started up, and all right, so I turned everything on. Oh, that cicada hit me in my face. All right, so I got everything on there.